HistoCore SPECTRA Workstation Application, CV, Cartridge Exchange. Step 1. Remove outer package. Step 2. Remove desiccant and packaging foam. Step 3. Fill the new cartridge with cover slips. You can use any leftover cover slips from the previous cartridge. Avoid exceeding the maximum fill level of the cartridge to prevent errors. Step 4. Before inserting the newly filled cartridge, inspect for any broken glass pieces. Use a vacuum to remove any debris. Step 5. After inspecting and removing broken glass debris, exchange the cartridge while wearing cut-resistant gloves. To prevent slides from drying, it's best to change the cartridge when the other line has finished cover slipping. Step 6. After replacing and loading the cartridge, close the hood of the HistoCore SPECTRA CV cover slipper. Closing the hood will initiate a scan of the cartridge and update the CMS automatically. The screen will prompt you to confirm if you have transferred the leftover cover slips to the new cartridge. Select Yes if you topped up the cover glass, or No when no cover glass got topped up.